It is so easy to use the Salesforce Org Manager extension. Once you install the extension on your browser, what you can do here is I'm going to show you a couple of things really quickly. So I have multiple orgs here. These are all different orgs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different orgs. One of them is a sandbox, and I have actually this is not an org. Let me just close this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different orgs. Some of them are dev orgs. I have at least one production org, and I have one sandbox as well. So when you go to the extension, you will see something like this, and you will be on the tabs tab first of all, and it shows you there are 5 Salesforce orgs and 5 tabs are open on this browser. It will show you those details. When you click on the down arrow, you will see all of the orgs that are here open as tabs. So let's customize them really quickly. So BreezeBit is our production org. It already tells you, okay, if you want to use the friendly tab label as BreezeBit, so you can customize the label of the tab itself. And then if you want, you can also give a quick badge to the favicon text. So let's say I want to call this BZ, and I want to change the color of it to an orange tone here. And I just need to say save profile. It gives me two options. I can either fully customize it, color plus the label of the tab, or I can just do favicon only. So I'll do the full one. And when I save this, you will see the breezebit org. It tells me, okay, I'm on the home page here, and then it's the BZ, the color change for the favicon, and there's also the badge that I use here. So let's continue really quickly. So for this one, I will choose another color here, a pinkish, purplish one, and I will just say save demo. As you see, it is changing. I didn't add a badge for that. Let me actually do that. I can update it really quickly too. So this is BreezeBit demo, right? I want to call it BD. And then for this one, this is server dev, one of our sandboxes. I can say just SD server dev. And then I can make the color something like this, but a bit dark. Okay. And then save profile. And then I have this client 8. I can call it CL. This is a dev org that I have. Make this color. I don't want it to be too bright. This is better. I like this way better. And the last one is the package test. It's a dev org again. So this is too long. I can just make it package test. And then I can do this PT. It will be easy for me to remember. And then make this, maybe it's very close to the other one, right? So let's make it like this. So I have 5 different orgs, as you say, right now. They're all, all the active orgs, and just in about, I don't know, 30 seconds, I customize them all with the labels, with the colors, with the badges. I can change them all in different ways. And also after that, I can organize the tabs if I need. Imagine there are more tabs here, a couple of sandboxes, a couple of dev orgs, a couple of production org tabs, and I want to see them quickly. Okay, I want to group them by the environment. I can just click on this and it will group them by, okay, these are all the sandboxes, these are all the dev orgs, and this is the production. These are the production orgs for me. So I can see them really quickly actually in here. And then but if you want to, group them by org, not by the environment, if you have multiple tabs by org that you opened, you can see it like this. So in our case, I just opened one tab for each org, but it will quickly group them under the orgs. So you can, again, group them and ungroup them really quickly, really easily. So this is what's happening under the tabs. This is all the things about the tab customization. And the second part, this is really cool too, actually. So if you go to, for example, one of the record pages here for accounts. Let's say if you want to see the object details here, when you come here, it'll show you, okay, what's the object label here that you have, what's the API name for that object, what's the record ID for this specific record you're on. If there is a record type, it shows you that as well. And also there is a show field API names button. When you click on this, it'll show you all the API names here. You can click on any of those and then it'll copy that for you right away. Or actually, for that, you need to go here, click on this and click one more time. There are 2 clicks. If you don't want to do that, we have this button here too already. So if you click on this, you will see show field API names. Or when you click on it, it'll show the API names, and then one more click, it'll hide it for you. So any record on any object, when you go there, you will see this button is going to be here, so you don't need to go to the extension. It's not too much, still, just 2-3 more clicks. But if you don't want to do it, when you're on the record page, you can just click on show API name, hide API name. It'll show you all the API names here really quickly. So it is there too. And then the last thing I want to show you is the shortcuts. So it'll show you here, we have many different shortcuts. These are preset shortcuts, predefined shortcuts. When you install the extension, it comes with it. So, there are some pages that you go all the time. For example, if you want to go to the objects, you do that many times. You can just do Shift Command O. It'll take you to the objects page, object manager page. Or if you have a Windows computer, then you can do Control Shift O. Or even, faster, you want to go to one of the objects right away, the fields and relations page. So what you can do in that case is you can do Shift Option A, for example. It will take you to the account fields and relationships page. Or if you can do Shift Option and L, it will take you to the lead fields and relations page. Or Shift Option O will take you to the opportunity object. So these are really, really very quick ones, that comes in the shortcuts. You will see there are some for specific pages. You can go to flows by just doing Shift Command F, where you can open the developer console, profiles, homepage, users, object manager, setup page. You can go there really quickly. Or for object specific, for the main standard objects, account, contact, opportunity, and lead, settings, field and relationships pages, you can go there really very quickly using these shortcuts. When you get used to it, just one time when you use it, anywhere you are here and you think, oh, I need to go to, the object manager, you can just do, oh, okay, so it's Shift Command O, you are in the object manager page. So it makes it so quick, so easy, without going different places, clicking, doing multiple clicks on the page. So these are all the things that we have right now. Hopefully we will have more coming in near future too. If you have any questions, any comments, any feedback, please feel free to reach out to us and let us know. But hopefully you'll like this. So thank you. Bye bye.